Back now on Triad today, and we're going to title this segment, Two Attorneys and an Artist. It's kind of like a TV pilot show we're doing. It's a good name there. Anyway, I'm going to introduce everybody to you right now. We've got a lot to talk about. On my immediate right, our good friend David Daggett, attorney with Daggett Shuler. He brought along his partner, of course. Griff Shuler is here with us, and the two of them brought a special guest. Samuel Rocha is a recent graduate of R.J. Reynolds High School, and we welcome you to the program, sir.
Thank you.
We're going to find out why you're here in just a second. But David, let me start with you. Let's remind people quickly, although we talked about this a few weeks ago, there has been a changeover from where you were doing the Safe Sober prom night into Safe Sober. Remind us what it's all about, how it's changed.
So this is the 31st year of the Safe Sober program. There haven't been proms the last couple years, so we've enhanced the program to Safe Sober. You can go to safesober.com. And what we're doing this year is hitting all the high school seniors at their graduations. 15,000 of these t-shirts.
Yeah, hold that up there to the camera. That's, yeah, Safe Sober.
Designed by Samuel.
Wow.
His name is on the back of all these t-shirts.
Cool.
He's a student at R.J. Reynolds High School and art class at the Career Center, so we have both on there. And pretty excited, great young man.
I'm going to get to Samuel in just a second. Griff, the t-shirt design contest has really been a big deal every year. Now, how do y'all pick a winner?
Well, Jim is completely blind, so we get the entries in. They're scanned in, and then there's a committee that reviews all of them, and the committee includes marketing and advertising professionals that assist in the selection process, but it's completely anonymous, and Samuel won.
Samuel won. Now, Samuel, how did you hear about the contest?
I've known about the contest for a while now. Ever since like freshman year of school, I would always see them walking through lunch, and I'll see them set up right. And then I went to Career Center for graphic design class, and then that's where the contest was introduced.
Now, how did you find out that you won the contest?
I found out on the day of announcing it. I found out through being in class, and then I had a call. It was very strange calling me into school, and I'm like, I'm not going to school if I don't have to. But and then my mom came in my room, so it became very serious. I'm like, okay, I'm getting up, and I passed by the front of the Career Center, and that's where I saw the setup. I'm like, that's how I knew I won.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, he was scheduled for video class.
A surprise presentation with the mayor, dignitaries, police officers.
Wow.
It was really
It was a big deal, and he was very surprised.
That is. It can be very daunting, Samuel. I know one time Griff and David and the mayor showed up in my bedroom at 3 in the morning, and it was very disconcerting. Now, what does it mean to have your design on that? I mean, you got your name on it. The design is going to be seen by thousands and thousands of people. We're showing it here. What does that, seriously, what does that mean to you?
Well, I've been creating art for a while now, and having my stuff out there, like for everybody to see, is pretty cool. And having my name on there, so it has a direct person, it's pretty cool because I love my work getting out there and getting my appreciation that I need. And
now, what are your? I assume your plans are going to have something to do with art and design. What are you headed for?
I'm going to Charlotte, University of Charlotte, for graphic design, as I'm pursuing a career in graphic design.
Yeah. Well, David, I know that you're very proud of Samuel, what he's been able to do.
Yeah, now he got a $1,000 scholarship along with winning this.
Wow.
And I will also say, I get to make the phone call to the parents beforehand to let them in so they can come to the surprise. They have to pledge secrecy. Samuel's mother was the most excited mom I've ever talked to.
That's great.
And that was my favorite day of the whole year.
Griff, this, I know you've sort of tracked over the years, you and David, the success of the program, Safe Sober Prom Night, now Safe Sober, and what all this means. It means a lot to the students, right?
It sure does, and it creates a lot of excitement. It creates positive peer pressure. It's been great this year, again, trying to transition away from just proms and being able to go to the graduation festivities and be able to connect up with the students again and see them getting really excited about the design. We've had a lot of students tell us specifically that they love Samuel's design this year. It's been a big hit.
Boy, I do too. It's a great design. Up on screen before we lose time here, DaggettShulerLaw.com or 724-1234 if you should need some assistance in that arena. But really importantly, I want you to check out safesober.com, safesober.com. And we're so proud of David, what you and Griff, seriously, what you guys do and your team for the community. And Samuel, congratulations again on your work. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah.
All right. We'll be right back after this.